Hello foodies, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Homemade Cook. Today we are going to make a very healthy and delicious dish that is Moong Pulao. And yeah, please don't forget to like,
share and subscribe.
our YouTube channel. So let's begin with our recipe. Here we have soaked moong in a lukewarm water before 6 hours and rice before 15 minutes. Now let's first drain it water out from both of these ingredients. These are masalas and veggies that are required to make moong pulao. First of all, heat the pan and add
3 to 4 tablespoons of
oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee gives desi taste to your moong pulao. Add 4 to 5 bay leaves and add bay leaves and cinnamon in oil. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Keep on mixing the ingredients so that it does not burn. Add 1 teaspoon of hing powder. And nearly 1 tablespoon of chili paste. Six to 9 pieces of garlic as it gives amazing taste. Add nearly half a bowl of onion. Keep on stirring the mixture constantly. Cook the onion until they get pinkish yellow. Add half a bowl of potato and half a bowl of carrot and capsicum. Half a bowl of tomato. Tomatoes are added afterwards as it requires less time to cook as compared to potatoes. Now add the moong which we have soaked before 6 hours. Keep on stirring the mixture. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of garam masala. 2 tablespoons red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric, and add salt as per your taste. Stir the mixture. Now add nearly 2 cups of water in it. Now close the lid for 10 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of dhania powder. Add the rice which we have soaked before 15 minutes to cook. Stir the rice well in the mixture, and if you think water is required, then you can add. Here I have added 1 more cup of water. Close the lid for about 8 to 10 minutes and keep on checking so that rice does not stick. Our rice is ready. What an amazing smell it is giving. Now let's serve it on a plate. Here we have served it along with a sweet curd. It gives amazing taste to your moong pulao. You can also garnish your moong pulao with some cheese, as children like cheese a lot. Our dish is ready. You can eat it now.